Today's smart factories and connected products generate millions of petabytes of data. The opportunity to create digital feedback loops to reimagine manufacturing and its impact on our lives is only bound by siloed data and processes. Unlocking massive amounts of data with new insights can drive opportunities for both efficiency and new business models. The need for secure remote access to factories and customer assets is accelerating digitalization in this next normal of manufacturing. Welcome to Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing, designed to merge disparate data sources and deliver a composable and extensible set of capabilities that support the core processes and requirements of the industry. These solutions connect people, assets, workflow, and business processes, empowering manufacturers to operate safer and smarter with increased agility and productivity, all while being more resilient. Minimize supply chain disruption by connecting internal and external supply chains, as well as customer and market data, to drive inventory visibility, optimize planning, and intelligently manage the complete product and service lifecycle. Use Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing to digitally empower your workforce and transform the way frontline workers safely and securely make, sell, and service products. Equip them with the skills and tools to safely keep up with the new complexities and speed of digital manufacturing, increasing customer satisfaction and delivering value to customers through products as a service. Accelerate innovation by designing, simulating, and validating products through digital twins. And create an increasingly productive smart factory with industrial IoT, cloud, AI, and mixed reality. Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing unlocks the power of your factories, connected products, and services with trusted and secure edge and cloud capabilities from Azure, Dynamics 365, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Power Platform, and our partners. Through standards-based communities like the Open Manufacturing Platform and co-innovation with our extensive partner ecosystem, Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing answers to the Microsoft mission of empowering every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing. Together, we can manufacture a more resilient and sustainable future.